I have a wonderful electronic invention I want you to see.
It looks something like this.
Eyelash Emporium was born backstage at Pinewood Film Studios. Eyelash Emporium deliver award-winning education across the UK as well as internationally.
We have specific courses, so you can start with your GDL and maybe move up to your classic, and then you've got advanced classic, moving on to Russian, and we have express, we have workshops on styling. There's so much that we can offer you.
At Eyelash Emporium, we have a highly experienced education team who are inspiring and on hand to give you as much support as possible for you to become the best that you can be in your career becoming a lash artist.
Why choose the Eyelash Emporium? Because we're passionate about delivering high quality training. We deliver quality education, we have continuous support for our students, we have mentoring, we can literally support you throughout your whole journey and take you to the next level.
Why choose the Eyelash Emporium? Because we deliver confident lash artists.
We love, we live, we breathe lashes.